Fight!
What's happening? My name is Kenna.
And I'm Jessica.
And this is What to Do in Singapore with $50. So in this series, we'll bring you to 3 places around Singapore with a budget of under $50.
And our catch is all our activities are water related.
So if you're ready, let's go! Our first location is Fish at Bugis Plus.
And we'll be here to
Prawn! So the key to prawning, from the prawning expert himself, is to watch the float. Like once the float dips a bit, right, that means the prawn is there.
Oh!
Yeah boy!
Okay, winning shot. Oh my god!
This is a prawn. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit nervous holding it. It may seem very small, but it's very, very scary. But yes, I caught a prawn, I'm winning.
Yes, oh my god.
Okay, so Jessica. I'd like to congratulate Jessica on catching her first prawn. She's very scared. So, Jessica, how many prawns do you catch?
only caught one.
I got 3! So even though we didn't catch a lot of prawns, I think it was a very fun experience.
Yeah.
I think as you get better, you'll catch more prawns.
Yes.
We get our 4 prawns, but no worries because they also have frozen prawns.
Yay.
So we're still going to enjoy our barbecue. Let's go! Thank you for watching our video.
Hope to see you in our next adventure.
Bye!